Okay, so I'm just gonna start off with some old hair. It's just, it had curls, but it doesn't really have curls anymore. And for this style, you're gonna need some flexi rods. I like the purple and orange ones. You're gonna need some clips. Maybe if you want to clip the hair back, you're gonna need some leave-in conditioner. And you're going to need a comb. Now, I previously detangled my hair before this, so it's not super tangled now, so I won't get a lot of use out the comb, but it does come in handy to section. So I'm just going to section off a piece of hair in the front of my head, and the size of the section does matter because, well, the size of section ratio to the size of your rod, because if you have the rods that I have and then you put a lot of hair, you're not going to get as tight of a curl, and then if you put a smaller amount of hair, you're going to get really tight curls. And then you're just going to roll the hair up into the flexi rod, making sure you tuck the ends so they are not straight, and then you're going to secure the flexi rod. Try to secure the flexi rod. Sorry, sometimes flexi rods do break on the inside, so you want to make sure that the ones that you're using are not broken, and you'll know they're not broken because they will bend and then hold their shape. So I'm just going to get the two front sections of my bang out the way first. And then I'm just going to repeat on this side what I did on the first side. Just going to take it, roll the hair under, tuck the ends, roll up, and then secure it. And now I'm just going to take my leave-in conditioner and I'm going to spray it across those front two flexi rods, and then I'm just going to use the rest to just dampen the rest of my hair. You don't want to get it like soaking wet unless you have a lot of time or you're going to sit under a dryer. So I just make sure it's pretty damp. And then I just continue wrapping all the way around. And you want to make sure that you have the same amount of flexi rods on each side so that your curls are symmetrical. And whatever you do on one side, you want to do on the other. So if you wrap in one direction in a particular section on one side, you want to make sure, or on the other side on that corresponding section, that you also wrap in the same direction. So now that our hair is completely wrapped, I'm going to just take my leave-in conditioner and I'm just going to spray that all over to make sure that all of them are equally damp. And then I'm going to go to sleep and then wake up the next morning and take them out.
You can do them in the order or not. I'll suggest taking them down in the order that you put them in, because it's going to make everything a whole lot easier on you. Because sometimes you have like those flyaways and things like that. The longer you leave these in and the wetter you get them is going to determine the kind of curls you get. I just lightly damp them, but if I leave them in longer and wet them more,
I'm going to get more curls. You want to make sure that they are fully dry though beforehand. And you might just want to like take one out and see if it works. curls, no heat required. Okay, that's all I have for you guys today. If you guys want something that's more in depth, or you want to get like some really like curly curls, or if you want something that's a little more wavy, or if you want any more hair videos, make sure you comment down below and tell me. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.